both of you. It is both for you can understood. Express as standard form. There is the word standard form, and you see this is the zero decimal. This is called decimal vanya, and zero decimal 0.0000000000085. This is very small value. So very small numbers can be expressed as standard form using negative exponent. So you are listening first time exponent. So what is exponent and what is the negative exponent? We are shifting the decimal after first digit. First digit is 8. So we want to shift this decimal from here to here. We want to shift this decimal here. So it becomes now 8.5. This is the very small number. So we write this into standard form. And here we write as base 10. This is called base. And how many digits we are shifting here? How many digits we are shifting here? We can count 1, 2, 3. Here is the decimal. So this one we cannot count. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th. So we write negative 12. Negative 12 is 10 raised power minus 12. It is called 10 raised power minus 12. So correct answer is 8.5 into 10 raised power minus 12. This is called standard form. This is called standard form. So this very small value is represented as 8.5 10 raised power minus 12. Now second one, here is the 0.000000000000942. So what we do, for after first digit, this is 9 is the first digit, so after 9 we shift this decimal. So how many digits we are shifting? So that we write as negative power, negative exponent. So 9.42 we write 9.42. So this point we are shifting here. So how many digits are we are shifting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 digit we are shifting. So we write 10 raised power minus 12. So answer is 9.4 to 10 raised power minus 12. So this is again now a small value. Now third one is the very large value. For very large value we write exponent as positive. So very large value is the third one. So 602000000000000. This is very large value because there is not a given decimal. So we want to shift at this time the decimal is at the last. Now we want to shift the decimal after one digit 6. So this decimal shift toward the left side. So how many digits shift toward the left side? Now first we write 6.02. 6.02, and in the multiply we write 10 raised power. How many digits we are shifting decimal? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we write 10 raised power plus 15. This is the standard form. Now fourth one is again negative exponents because there is a decimal given. So 0.00000000837. So this can be represented as we shift from left toward the right side. Decimal we shift from left to right. So we write 8.37 into 10 raised power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So minus negative 9 we write because we are shifting toward the right side. So if we are shifting the decimal toward the right side, we write negative exponent. If the shifting decimal toward the left side, we write as positive exponent. And fifth one is 318600000000. So it can be written as in positive exponent. So here is the decimal in the last, and this decimal comes after 3. So the shifting of decimal here it makes 3.186 into 10 raised power. How many digits we are shifting? That we can here count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we write as 10 raised power 10. and since we are shifting toward the left side, so we write positive exponent. So these 5 questions I have explained you. I think now you can solve some questions. So very small value has negative exponent and very large value has positive exponent, and there are two types of negative and positive exponents value is there. Now there is in related with form, there are two types of form, standard form and usual form. This is called usual form. Left side is called usual form and we are writing in the standard form. So sometimes question is given in standard form and we have to written in usual form. So we are coming to usual form now from standard form. So there is express as usual form. So question will change now. Express as usual form. Now we are writing some questions. Express as usual forms. So first one is 3.52 10 raised power 5. Second is 7.54 10 raised power minus 4. Third one is 3 into 10 raised power minus 5. Fourth one is 3.02 into 10 raised power minus 6. And last one is 4.5 into 10 raised power 4. So standard form is given. We want to convert into usual form. This is standard. 10 zeros. So first we write 352 without decimal we write. Now decimal is shifting toward the right side. If the exponent is positive, we shift the decimal. 5 decimal is here. At this time decimal here. We shift this decimal 5 digits toward the right side. Since there is 2 digits, so next digit we write 0. So 5 digits we want to shift. So it means 352,000 is the final answer. Because this decimal we are shifting toward the right side, and we how many digits this decimal shifts, that gives us that we can find out from here. So answer is 352 and then followed by 30. Similarly, next problem is negative exponent. 754 into 10 raised power minus 4. So this time decimal shift toward the left side because negative exponent shifts the decimal toward the left side. So 754 without decimal we write on right side. Now shifting of decimal from here. So there is the 4 digit shifting first. Then second, it means there we need 0. Third, and then again fourth. And after 8 we write the decimal. So we are shifting the decimal toward the left side. So answer will be 0.000754. This is the second answer. Now third answer is 3 into 10 raised power minus 5. It is similar to second one. It is third one. So we write 3 on the right side. Now we are shifting decimal. At this time decimal is after 3. So this decimal toward the left side shifts 5 digit, 1 digit, then second digit, then third digit, then fourth digit, then fifth digit. We put 0 and after it we write the 0. So answer will be 0.00003. This is the third answer. Now fourth answer is 3.02 into 10 raised power minus 6. This is again negative exponents problem. So in the negative exponent we shift again left side. So 302 we write first on right side, and from here decimal we shift 6 digit we want to shift. So first digit, then second digit, then third digit, then fourth digit, then fifth digit, then sixth digit, then decimal. So 0.00000302. This is the final answer. And last one, fifth one, 4.5 10 to the power 4. This can be written as, since there is the exponent positive, so the decimal shift toward the right side. So number 4.5 we write on the left side. So for this decimal we remove. So this decimal at this time is here. It shifts 4 digit toward the right side, 1 digit, then put 0, then second digit, then put 0, then third digit, then put 0, then fourth digit. So decimal comes here. So it means after right side there is no digit after decimal, so we can remove the decimal. So final answer is 45,000. 45 followed by 30. It is called 45,000. This is the answer. So in this way we can convert usual form to standard form and standard form to usual form. Now here we shift the decimal toward the left side because the exponent is negative. Negative exponent shift the decimal toward the left side. So from here we shift the decimal 6 digit. So we mark first 6 hopping, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then put the decimal. Now in the between them we put 0 and 1 0 we write extra on the left side. So answer is 0.00000302. This is the answer. So here is the next part, 4.5 into 10 raised power 4. This is called standard form, and this is the exponent, this is the exponent, this is positive exponent. So we shift the decimal toward the right side. Positive exponent shift the decimal toward the right side. So this decimal 4 digit shifts toward the right side. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We make first 4 dump. We put 0. We put 0 and we remove this decimal. So this is the answer. 45,000 is the answer. 45000 for this answer.